Hey everybody, we're back here behind my 1999 Four Winds Horizon 170. Uh, when I'm out on the water, I have some people with me. You know, I've had a few complaints, people getting in and out of the boat, that the ladder's too short and the steps kind of hurt the feet. And I can't disagree with them there. I can't really do much with the ladder other than replace it for lengthwise, but I decided to model up these step covers. Um, they're about 1.5 times as wide as the original. They don't have these ribs on them. I can put an 8-inch wide step at the bottom of all the Four Winds ladders. The rest of the steps usually have to be the 6-inch width that'll fit on the twisted bars like this. Uh, the Horizon 170 and 180 from 96 until the mid 2000s has the same ladder that I have here, so we can put two 8-inch wide steps on the bottom and the 6-inch wide step here. These covers will fit on most Four Winds from 1996 all the way up into the 2010s. That includes Horizons, Vistas, Sundowners, and Fun Ships. So what we need to do to replace these is pretty simple. All you really need is a flathead screwdriver. It'll make it easier if you have a pick tool or something to pull the backing off this double-sided 3M adhesive tape. So what we're going to do is take the flathead screwdriver, and you're going to kind of, get this in one hand and rotate it up like that, and try to get the screwdriver underneath of it. Once you get it under there a little bit, you can rotate the screwdriver back and forth and keep twisting the step cover, and keep pushing the screwdriver, and it'll just come right off without damaging the powder coat or anything. And then you want to take some type of cleaner, or if you're in the water, you can probably just wash it off with lake water. And then get the step cover. You want to pull this red backing off the step cover. This is 3M adhesive tape. It does a pretty good job. And then all you need to do is hook one side of it like this. With both hands, just kind of rotate it a little bit. And once that adhesive tape's on there, it's not going to come back off very easily, if at all. But since I didn't put the sticky tape on, I can just rotate it back off. And I do recommend, when you get these from me, to test fit all of them, make sure it fits. A lot of the Vistas and the bigger Horizons, they'll need 2 of these step covers with both ears on it. And then if you prefer having an 8-inch for the bottom or a 6-inch, it'll come with a third one. But they do require this step cover that doesn't have the one ear on it. It's just due to how the ladder lays on the swim platform or the transom. There's not enough room for this other ear to be on, so I had to model this special one up. So what I would recommend is, when you get these step covers from me, to just go ahead and test fit them without pulling the tape on the back. Make sure everything closes, your ladder cover, the door closes, and everything fits fine before you pull this tape off, because it's not going to be very, very kind to get back off. So it'll be helpful if you send me a picture of the ladder that you have. That'll help me determine which steps to send in. Like I said, if you want the 8-inch bottom or just have all 6-inch steps, it's up to you. It's personal preference, really. I thought it'd be nicer to have the 8-inch wide bottom, that way you can kind of fit both feet up on it, and both of them are on the cover, the wider area there. The 3 steps, like the Horizon 170s and 180s here, these are $35 shipped, and the 4 steps are $45 shipped, and I have shipped them outside the country, so I'll have to increase the shipping, or the total cost to cover shipping costs, but just let me know if I can get that taken care of. So yeah, basically if you just have a ladder that's like this one with the white powder coat and the kind of tubular bars that are flat, these step covers are most likely going to fit, like I said, anything from 96 to the mid 2010s. And if you need to get a hold of me, just message me on Facebook, or I'll have my email in the description below the video here. Other than that, just let me know if you need a pair, and happy boating.